Good morning, it's Wednesday the 27th, I'm FX Plu and I'm in the cold winter of Tel Aviv. The general election back home is only a couple of weeks away. As we know, they've made all their spending pledges, offering their tax cuts, and mostly they've made their positions clear on Brexit. Any economic clarity is still a few months away though. We'll of course need to get through the election, then we'll be back to Brexit as the main focus. But both of these elements remain a key driver for the economy and the currency. Even though we've seen no real significant announcements of late, the opinion polls have shifted slightly, trimming the sails of that Tory lead from what looked like an unbeatable lead to where we are now, where they're merely sporting a healthy lead. Nothing too unusual there though, given the inherent inaccuracy of all these polls, and especially after what we saw in 2017. Yesterday sterling drifted a little lower. It was back towards the middle of the current trading range, and we saw that floating around the 128.50 mark. In the US today, we'll see Q3 GDP, where growth is expected to be unchanged from Q2. There is a little downside risk here, especially when you consider that Powell's comments have suggested that, if anything, he believes the economy is actually performing better than many realise. So what do you think here? Are we likely to see things unchanged at 1.9% from Q2? Or will a slightly lower reading leave egg on his face today? Either way, the market is slowing down ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday. So with that lower liquidity, if we do see a surprise to the downside of GDP, this could cause a slightly exaggerated move for the dollar today. But yesterday, euro dollar was in a pretty narrow trading range, closing around 110.25. Oh, so bright. How are things back in Blighty, eh?